Understanding electrical tape, an essential tool for safety and repairs. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful term, electrical tape. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just curious about everyday objects, understanding this term will be quite handy. Let's dive into what electrical tape is, its uses, and why it's important. Electrical tape is a type of pressure-sensitive tape used to insulate electrical wires and other materials that conduct electricity. It's usually made from plastic, vinyl, or rubber and is known for its stretchy, durable, and flame-resistant properties. This makes it ideal for preventing electrical currents from accidentally passing to unwanted areas, which could be dangerous. Originally, electrical tape was made from cloth or paper. However, with advancements in technology, modern electrical tapes are predominantly made of vinyl. This change occurred because vinyl offers better insulation and is more resistant to heat, cold, and moisture compared to cloth or paper. Electrical tape comes in various colors and each color often signifies a specific purpose. For example, black tape is used for insulation, while green tape is often used for grounding. It's not just for electrical purposes, people also use it for general repairs, labeling, or even temporary fixes. Safety is paramount when dealing with electricity. Always ensure that the electrical tape you use is suitable for the voltage level you're working with. Also, remember that electrical tape is a temporary solution and should not replace permanent wiring methods. I hope this video helps you understand what electrical tape is and why it's a valuable tool in both electrical work and everyday life. Remember, safety comes first when dealing with electrical components. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more English learning content. Stay safe and see you in the next video.